Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about probability, basics. I know you just saw a bunch of slides about this, but this might be something that just puts it down to simplest terms. Probability is usually the event over the outcome. It looks like a fraction. And then fractions can be turned into percents, decimals and percents. And so that's why you hear with like snow coming, the probability of us having snow is a percent, like 80% probability it's going to snow, or when we were looking for snow days. So today I want to just talk to you about a coin. I have a quarter here. I have on this side a tails, and on this side I have heads. So with a coin, how many possible outcomes are there? There would be two. There are two possible outcomes. I'm going to do this in red. There are two possible outcomes on a coin, heads or tails. That's the two possible outcomes. Can't get anything else. A lot of kids are like, well, what if it lands on this side? You know, gravity works. Gravity works. It's not going to land on the side and stay there the whole time. So it's either going to land tails or heads. The event is usually the question we're asking about. So if I said, what's the probability of getting heads? Heads is the event. That's what I'm asking about. Well, there's only one heads on this coin. So the event would be 1 out of the 2. So the probability of rolling a heads or flipping a heads, and I'd write it P in parentheses, it just stands for the probability of getting heads, is a 1 out of 2 chance. And I can change that into a percent by using division. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, which is a 50% chance. It's a 50% chance. Now, when something has a 50% chance, we call that a 50-50 chance, or it's as likely as not. They both have the same likelihood, as likely as not to happen. That's a 50% chance right in the middle. A certain thing that's going to happen is a 100% chance. When something is certain, it's a 100% chance. And then when something is impossible, it's a 0% chance. So if I said tomorrow, what's the probability that the moon will turn to cheese? 0% chance. Not going to happen, right? What is the probability that the sun will come up tomorrow? 100% chance going to come up tomorrow. Now, some people say likelihood, but whatever. Okay. So anything in between 50% chance and certainty would be likely or highly likely. It gets in there's adjectives that describe the likeliness, but we call it likely. Anything between 50 and 100 we would call a likely chance. And anything below 50 and 0, in between these two, we call it unlikely. So that's just the basics of probability. More to come.